How's it going out there, YouTubers? This is Raul Nesbitt getting down with another RC Adventure Time video right here. I've been waiting all week for this to come in the mail. It's finally here. So let me show you what I got. Just a little unboxing for all of you out there. Boom! Got this bad boy in the mail today. This is the Trail Proven Off-Road Performance SCX10 Deadbolt. This is an awesome rig right here. I know you guys have seen this one before in my videos, but this is actually a Tamiya high lift. Got no problem with it right there. I love this thing just as much. But I really wanted to sink my teeth into one of these guys right here. So this is going to be my little unboxing review, my little opinion about this car right here, because I know I've seen a lot of them on YouTube already. But what's one more? So let's get this thing out of the box. Let's do it a little faster though this time. Well, here it is. The SCX10 Deadbolt, right out the box. Now, first thing you notice is that it's green. I like it because that's my favorite color. But let's get a little bit closer on this guy and get a little bit more detail into it. Come on, let's check it out. Well, here it is, the SCX10 Deadbolt from Axial Racing. My first impression of it out of the box is pretty nice looking, pretty awesome. I really like the green color like I said in the beginning, but can't give my full opinion on this until we get out there and do some rock crawling with it. So let's check it out.
The Deadbolt.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to tell your friends to check out and subscribe to my channel on YouTube.